will explain set 1 question 1. The question is, Niasara invests 5,000 in an investment fund that pays 8% compounded semi-annually for 4 years. Find the compound amount and interest earned at the end of investment period. So we need to find information to solve the question. P equal to 5,000. This is the principal or the starting amount of money. K equal to 0.08. This is the annual interest rate, 8% per year. M equal to 2. This means the interest is compounded 2 times a year. T equal to 4. The money is invested for 4 years. Then find I, the interest rate per compounded period. I equal to K divided M equal to 0.08 divided 2. So the answer is 0.04. Then find N, total number of compounding periods. N equal to M multiply T equal to 2 multiply 4. So the answer is 8. Then we use the compound interest formula. The formula is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and roots. Substitute all the numbers. S equal to 5,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.04 close bracket 8 roots. S equal to 6,842.85 cents. Last but not least, find the interest earned. The formula is I equal to S minus P. Then I equal to 6,842.85 cents. Then the answer is 1,842.85 cents. So the profit or interest earned after 4 years is 1,842.85 cents.
Good morning everyone. Today I will be explaining and comparing two loan options that Farah is considering. Farah plans to take a loan 50,000 ringgit for her business for 4 years. She is considering two different banks. First, Alpha Bank is 6.8% compounded quarterly. Second, Beta Bank 7.0% compounded semi-annually. First question is calculate the compounded amount and interest earned from both banks. So we need to find information to solve the question. First, Alpha Bank. P equal to 50,000 ringgit. T equal for 4 years. M equal to 4. K equal to 0.068. This is the annual interest rate, 6.8% per year. Then find I, the interest rate per compounding period is equal to K divide M equal to 0.068 divide 4. So the answer is 0.017. Then find I, total number of compounding periods. N equal to M multiply T equal to 4 multiply 4. So the answer is 16. After that, we use the compounded interest formula. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and roots. Substitute all the numbers. S equal to 65,479.48 cents. And then find the interest earned. The formula is I equal to S minus P. Then I equal to 65,478.48 cent minus 50,000. Then the answer is 15,478 479.48. Second, Beta Bank. P equal 50,000 ringgit, T equal 4 year, M equal 2, K equal 0.07. This is the annual interest rate, 7.0%. Then find I, the interest rate per compounding period. I equal to K divide M equal to 0.07 divide 2. So the answer is 0.035. Then find N, total number of compounding periods. N equal to M multiply T equal to 4 multiply 2. So the answer is 8. After that, we use the compounded interest formula. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket in roots. Substitute all the numbers. S equal to 65,840.45 cents. And then find the interest earned. The formula is I equal to S minus P. Then I equal to 65,840.45 cent minus 50,000. Then the answer is 50,840.45 cents. Last but not least, the last question. Based on your calculation, which bank should Farah choose? Justify your answer. Farah should choose Alpha Bank because interest Alpha Bank is lower than Beta Bank.
So we move to the next question, which is this question is related to chapter 4 NUT.
So the question will be explored. First, the given question is, during her diploma studies for 5 semesters, Aida received a PTPTN loan of 17,500 ringgit. After graduation, she is required to start repayment, paying equally monthly installments for 10 years at an interest rate of 0.01 per annum compounded monthly.
From this question, we know that A, present value of NUT is 17,500 ringgit. T, time is 10 years. K, interest rate is 0.01. And M, interest period is 12 because monthly. So after read and understanding the question, we will dive into the question number 1. Calculate the monthly payments that Ada must make to settle the loan in 10 years. The goal is to find R, the periodic, regular or monthly payment that Ada makes monthly for 10 years to settle her loan. So in this question, R is question mark. So we must find it. Based on the question, we know that 17,500 ringgit is A because Ada wants to settle the loan immediately. What formula that we're going to use is formula with A, not S. Since R is required, the formula will be rearranged, which we're going to placing R at the front, and A will be divided by the rest of the formula. Before using the formula, we must find I and N. I will be calculated by dividing K by M and resulting in 1 in 1 200. N is calculated by multiplying M by T, which is 12 multiplied 10 and will resulting 120. After we know the values of I and N, we plug in them into the formula. And just press into calculator. And the calculator gives the answer R is 153 ringgit 31 cents. So let's move to the next question. After making payments for 8 years, Ada wishes to settle the remaining loan balance in full. In this sentence, we understand that Ada wants to make an early payment. Calculate the amount she must pay to fully settle the loan. So this question presents the concept of special case type 2, where the formula to be used is AN. But in the question, she says that Ada has paid the loan for 8 years and she wants to make a payment immediately before the loan payment period's end, which is 10 years. So we will first calculate the new N, where unpaid M. So the unpaid N that she still have is 2 years, which means the new T is 2. With that, the new n can be calculated by multiplying 12 and 2, and it will result in 24. After we got a new n, we just plug in into the formula and press the calculator. After we plug in everything into the formula, we just press into the calculator and get an answer. And the answer will be 3,641 ringgit 39 cents.
In Pekan Rabu, a shop lot costing 500,000 cash is purchased by making a 10% down payment. The balance is to be paid in equal monthly installment of 2,200 ringgit. The interest charge was 3.5% compounded monthly. Question 1. Calculate the number of equal payments required. First, we need to list down the information given. 500,000 will be our A. Our regular is 2,200 ringgit. K is 3.5% or 0.035. M will be 12. Next, we need to find I and N. I equal to K over M, which is 0.035 over 12. That will make 7 over 2,400. N equal to M multiplied to T, but we don't have T, so N will be unknown. For this question, we will use formula A. First, we need to find our down payment. 500,000 minus 10 over 100 equals to 450,000. Next, we will write our formula. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I negative N over I. And then plug in all the numbers given. And then use your calculator to calculate. Multiply both sides. Then divide by 2,200. This simplify to 105 over 176 equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 7 over 2,400 negative N. Use log to solve for N. When we calculate this, we will get N equals to 311.7. So the number of months is 312 months. After completing payments for 6 months, the buyer fails to make the subsequent 3 monthly installments. How much is the buyer required to pay in the 4th month to settle all outstanding area? Use formula S for this question. Sn equal to R in bracket 1 plus I n minus 1 over I. And then we need to plug in the number into the formula. Answer we will get it 8,838 ringgit 57 cents.